Welcome to our roundup of the best carry-on luggage options. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend traveler, or heading out on a quick business trip, we've curated top-rated carry-ons that combine durability, smart design, and effortless mobility. We'll break down each suitcase's standout features, like size compliance, weight, interior layout, materials, wheel quality, and built-in extras like USB ports or compression systems to help you find the perfect travel companion. Don't forget to check the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal carry-on for your next adventure. At number 1, we have the Away Carry On Luggage. The Away Carry On Luggage is a well-designed travel companion for short trips and weekend getaways. Measuring 22 inches and airline approved, it fits perfectly in overhead compartments. Its hard-shell body is made from 100% polycarbonate, making it lightweight yet impressively durable. The water-repellent surface adds an extra layer of protection, useful during unexpected weather. Designed to last, the luggage promises reliability with a limited lifetime warranty covering all major components. Mobility is a standout feature of this carry-on. The premium 360-degree spinner wheels glide smoothly across airport floors and even handle uneven surfaces like cobblestones fairly well. The quick-release aluminum trolley handle comes with 2 height settings, making it comfortable for different users. An underside grab handle adds practicality, helping travelers lift the suitcase easily from car trunks or baggage claims. Inside, the luggage offers thoughtful organization. Dual compartments separate clothes from bulkier items, while the patented compression pad system and included laundry bag keep everything in place. One downside worth mentioning is the suitcase's structure. Due to the indented zipper track in the middle, the shell can feel somewhat squishy compared to other hard shell options. While this doesn't affect durability, it may concern those looking for a more rigid frame. Overall, the Away Carry-On Luggage combines smart features, durability, and style, making it a solid choice for frequent flyers and weekend adventurers alike. At number 2, we have the Travel Pro Max Light Air V2. The Travel Pro Max Light Air V2 hardside carry-on delivers lightweight durability with sleek style and smooth mobility. Measuring 21 inches and size bin tested, it fits most U.S. airline overhead bins easily. The hard shell, crafted from impact-resistant polycarbonate, flexes under pressure to prevent cracking, while internal corner guards add another layer of protection. The luggage also features an expandable zipper that adds up to 2 inches of extra packing space, perfect for those last-minute souvenirs. Mobility is effortless thanks to 8 smooth gliding 360-degree spinner wheels that ensure stable rolling in any direction. The PowerScope light handle adjusts to various heights, and its contour grip adds comfort and control on the go. Security is built in with a TSA-approved lock, giving peace of mind during travel. Internally, organization is a standout feature. 2 zippered divider panels and a built-in accessory pocket keep belongings sorted, neat, and secure. The interior fab lining is moisture-resistant, enhanced with H2O guard treatment to help keep your belongings dry. Overall, the Travel Pro Max Light Air V2 combines smart design, reliable durability, and easy handling into one impressive carry-on. It's a stylish and practical option for travelers who want performance without sacrificing convenience. Next up, we have the American Tourister Spinner. The American Tourister 24-inch spinner offers a perfect blend of style, durability, and smooth mobility for all your travel needs. Designed for short journeys, this spinner delivers reliable performance with a modern look. Its Cascade hardside design combines durability with flair, featuring a beautifully crafted ABS shell and a subtle tonal gradient film that stands out at baggage claim. With a medium size that discourages overpacking, it offers the perfect balance between compact design and sufficient storage. The case also includes an expandable zipper that allows for an extra inch of space, great for last-minute additions. Packing is made simple with its large split-case interior. It includes elastic cross straps, a modesty zippered pocket, shoe compartments, and a wet pocket to keep toiletries separate. This thoughtful layout keeps everything organized and accessible. The dual spinner wheels offer smooth 360-degree movement, making it easy to roll in any direction without placing strain on the arm. The right height handle system with multiple stop adjustments ensures a comfortable grip for users of all heights, while the large zipper pulls are user-friendly and glide effortlessly. However, one downside is that the suitcase itself feels a bit heavy, even before packing. This could be a concern for travelers trying to stay within weight limits. Overall, the American Tourister 24-inch spinner offers attractive design, functional space, and reliable mobility, ideal for stylish, organized travelers. Coming up next, we have the Samsonite Evolve SE. The Samsonite Evolve SE is a thoughtfully designed suitcase that combines modern style, durability, and smooth maneuverability for effortless travel. Built with strength and style, the hard-side expandable luggage with double spinner wheels, Carry On 20 inches, is perfect for modern travelers. Designed to meet most domestic airline carry-on restrictions, it's perfect for travelers who want to pack efficiently and stay light. Its refined, twill-like texture and superior metallic finish give it a premium look, while the modern organic pattern and boxy construction maximize every inch of internal space. This carry-on is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly functional. Inside, the luggage features dual-sided full-zipper mesh dividers, helping to organize belongings neatly and securely. Even with bulky items, the expanded capacity ensures everything fits comfortably. The shell combines polycarbonate and ABS material, offering enhanced durability, impact resistance, and fatigue performance. For smooth mobility, the premium 360-degree dual-spinner wheels glide with ease even in crowded airports or tight spaces. The multi-stage push-button handle system includes an ergonomic carry grip, providing comfort and control throughout the journey. Overall, the Samsonite Evolve SE 20-inch spinner is a smart choice for modern travelers. With its thoughtful design, ample space, and robust construction, it offers the perfect combination of practicality and elegance, a reliable companion for business trips, weekend getaways, or quick domestic flights. At number 5, we have the Swissgear Scion. The Swissgear Scion is a reliable and stylish travel companion designed to offer durability, organization, and smooth mobility for all your journeys. This expandable luggage in the 29-inch checked size is ideal for longer journeys. Designed for efficiency and ease, this large suitcase provides generous packing capacity and superior organization. It features 2 roomy front panel pockets, a fully lined interior with adjustable tie-down straps, and multiple compartments, including a large mesh lid pocket and a removable zippered wet bag. Whether packing for an extended vacation or a business trip, users will appreciate the thoughtful layout and smart storage. Navigating busy terminals is seamless thanks to the 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels and a locking push-and-pull handle system. The top, side, and bottom handles offer flexible carrying options, making it easy to lift or roll the bag in any situation. Crafted from scuff-resistant polyester fabric, this luggage is built for durability and long-term use. It also includes a built-in ID tag for convenience and comes with a 10-year warranty, reflecting Swissgear's reputation for quality and reliability built over 125 years. However, one minor downside is that the suitcase can become slightly tippy when a backpack or daypack is attached to the trolley handle. Overall, the Swissgear Scion 29-inch soft-side luggage is a reliable and well-designed choice for travelers seeking space, durability, and maneuverability. The last one on our list is the Briggs & Riley Essential. The Briggs & Riley Essential is a premium travel bag thoughtfully crafted to deliver exceptional durability, organization, and timeless style for frequent travelers. An exceptional choice for frequent travelers, the 22-inch expandable carry-on combines functionality and durability. It meets U.S. domestic airline carry-on requirements and features an innovative compression expansion system. With just one touch, users can increase packing space and then compress it back to the original size. The soft-side ballistic nylon material is remarkably durable, resisting wear and tear over countless miles. Its sleek, professional look is complemented by thoughtful design features made for convenience and efficiency. Designed with business travelers in mind, the bag includes a built-in tri-fold garment folder and foam roll bar, ideal for keeping suits and formal wear wrinkle-free. The outsider handle is externally mounted, allowing for a flat packing surface to keep clothes neatly arranged. Multiple mesh pockets, a spacious front compartment, and premium garment panels help maximize organization. The Power Pocket is a standout addition, providing space for a battery pack and easy access for charging devices while on the move. Overall, this carry-on offers a superior travel experience. From the high-density wheels and self-repairing zippers to the elegant and durable build, Briggs & Riley's Essential 22-inch carry-on is a premium investment for travelers who value function, style, and longevity. You got it. So that's it for the best carry-on luggage on the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.